Good morning. So here we are today at my last job I've done. I've just come here to just do a final few little bits on the system. One of the most important things I need to do, this boiler is set at 25 kilowatts. I'm actually on page 84 of the manual and looking here at the technical data. So if we scroll down to the far right hand side, we got a 25 kilowatt GR4700 IW, which is basically a Green Star 4000. As you can see down there, it ranges from 3.3 to 3.2 to 25.5. So the next thing we need to do is now we need to know how to set up this boiler to give the correct amount of output on the system. Now, in all fairness, this is only a 2-bedroom bungalow. I've worked it out approximately about 8 kilowatts. So when I find the correct page, I'll go down and I will adjust the output of the boiler. Okay, so now in order to access the menu, hold the radiator and the tap symbol. As you can see here, I have the service menu. Scroll down to settings, press OK. Go into heating, press OK, and as you can see here, max heat output, OK. Right, I've already adjusted this, but as you can see, look, you can go up and down. You go right the way up to 100%, or 96% rather, but we want ours down at 50%. So I'm just going all the way down, press OK, back. Right, now that's that. Now what we do now, we look at the information on page 90, as you can see there. 50 degrees, 50%, 12.5 heat output, 12.8 input. Now we need a gas flow rate of 22.6. All right, so all I got to do now is go down the gas meter, check the gas flow rate, and if we got that or thereabouts, that will indicate what the heat output is going to be. Good evening. Further on from the Worcester 4000 25 kilowatt boiler I was looking at today, I was explaining that I wanted to whack it down to about 12.5 kilowatts. When once I went through the process of doing this, I was looking at the manual, page 90, and it was basically telling me what the flow rate should be at 50%. We was working cubic meters. This was given a like liters per minute, which didn't make sense. I've spoken to Worcester and asked them about it. They didn't really know what the hell I was talking about. But as I was explaining to them, when I'm gas rating an appliance at a set kilowatt, I should be expecting to see the gas rate equivalent to what is shown. I had a lengthy conversation with them about this. I've also asked them, what should the kilowatts be at 12.5? I mean, I already knew that anyway, but I just want to ask them so they could tell me over the phone. But the gas rate of 12.5 kilowatts should be roughly 1.3 or above. Of course, being a 4, I tested it at maximum. Now on a Worcester, if you do it at maximum, that's going to give you 100%. So therefore, the gas rate is going to be at over 24 kilowatt. I did say to them, well, surely if you adjust the kilowatts on the boiler, surely the software should recognize that, and therefore, when you put it into maximum, the gas rate or the kilowatts should be set at the setting which you set it at. Anyway, he couldn't really tell me much, but I just want to know, you know, if any of you guys got a view on this. I mean, should that boiler, when on maximum, only fire up at 12.5, because that is, in theory, the maximum that it has to go. Anyway, leave some comments below. The lady's happy, everything's working fine. She's got a boiler now that's working at what it should be working at. Anyway, have a good evening. Bye-bye.